Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make red enchiladas. We will go step by step through crafting a delicious, authentic Mexican meal. You will learn to prepare a vibrant red chili sauce, assemble your enchiladas with your favorite fillings, and bake them to golden perfection. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this classic dish, a true taste of tradition. The heart of any great red enchilada is its sauce. Start by selecting dried chilies such as New Mexico or California varieties, about 10 of them. Toast them lightly, then rehydrate in hot water for 20 minutes. Blend these with a few cloves of garlic, a quarter of an onion, and a teaspoon each of cumin and oregano. Strain the mixture for a smooth consistency, then simmer for at least 20 minutes. Now for the fun part, assembly. Warm your corn tortillas by lightly frying them in a bit of oil for just a few seconds. This makes them pliable. Dip each warm tortilla completely into your rich red sauce. Fill them with your choice of cooked shredded chicken, crumbled cheese, or seasoned beans. Roll each tortilla tightly and place them seam-side down in a baking dish, ensuring they fit snugly. To finish, pour any leftover red sauce generously over your assembled enchiladas. You can also sprinkle a generous amount of shredded cheese on top for extra deliciousness. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until bubbly and heated through. Garnish with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or some crumbled cottage cheese. Serve hot and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.